Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we've got something special lined up. If you're a salon owner, nail enthusiast, or someone who simply loves a good manicure, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best nail polish sets for salons. Now, whether you're looking to elevate your salon game, or you just want that professional, glossy finish at home, we've got you covered. Trust me, these products are the kind that'll make you rethink what a perfect manicure really looks like. We're about to break down some of the best options out there, the ones that not only make your nails pop, but keep them flawless for days. So, get comfortable because this countdown is about to take your nail care to a whole new level. Let's dive right into it. Ranked number 5 in our top 5 best nail polish sets for salons, the Beetles Gel Polish Nail Set is a game changer for anyone serious about their nail care. Imagine having 36 beautiful shades at your fingertips, all packed into one set. From soft pastel greens to bold glitters and trendy reds, it's designed to suit every season, style, and mood. Whether you're prepping for a day at work, a night out, or a special ceremony, this collection has you covered with its diverse range. What if you could get all the colors you need for a professional-grade manicure without the hefty salon price tag? With Beetles Gel Polish, you can. Not only does it offer a rich, vibrant color payoff, but the formula is also designed to last. Once applied, you can expect up to 3 weeks of chip-free, flawless nails. No more worrying about touch-ups or redoing your nails every few days. But let's talk about the formula. This set includes 36 mini gel polishes, each with a smooth, highly pigmented finish. Plus, it's made from 10 toxin-free ingredients, meaning it's safe, low odor, and perfect for those with sensitive skin. And with the included matte and glossy top coats, you can create any look from sleek and shiny to soft and understated. Don't forget about convenience. With the Beetles Gel Polish, you're getting more than just beautiful colors. It's an all-in-one solution, complete with a base coat and 2 top coats. No extra trips to the store necessary. Simply cure under a UV lamp for 90 to 120 seconds, and you're set. It's that easy. If you're in the market for a set that combines luxury with practicality, this is it. Want your nails to always stand out, no matter the occasion? Get your hands on the Beetles Gel Polish set and transform your nail game. If you love what you're hearing, don't forget to subscribe to Beautyistic for more pro tips and product reviews. Coming in at number 4 in our top 5 best nail polish sets for salons, the Zoya All Snuggled Up Quad is an absolute must-have for anyone who loves a premium manicure experience. What if you could pamper your nails with salon-quality products that are not only beautiful, but also safe for your health? With Zoya's commitment to clean beauty, this set checks all the boxes. It's free of harmful chemicals like formaldehyde, toluene, and parabens, which means you get a flawless finish without compromising on your well-being. Now, let's talk about the shades. The Zoya All Snuggled Up Quad features a luxurious collection of 4 gorgeous colors. Each bottle has a smooth, shimmery finish that's perfect for adding a touch of glamour to your nails. Whether you're heading to a special event or just treating yourself to some self-care, this set has everything you need to create a polished, stunning look that lasts. What makes this set truly stand out is its versatility. These colors work beautifully for any occasion, be it a chic day at the office or a glam night out. And the best part? Zoya's gel-like formula means your nails stay vibrant and chip-free for days. That's the kind of longevity you expect from high-end nail care, and you don't even have to leave your home to get it. With a bottle size that's just right for multiple uses, you'll have plenty of polish to create several stunning looks. Plus, the formula is super easy to apply, making it ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. And with the peace of mind that comes from knowing this polish is free from 8 potentially harmful chemicals, you can feel good about your manicure inside and out. If you're looking for a nail polish set that offers both beauty and peace of mind, look no further than the Zoya All Snuggled Up Quad. It's a clean beauty essential for anyone who wants vibrant, lasting color without the toxins. Don't miss out. If you love what you've heard, subscribe to Beautyistic for more product reviews and tips to elevate your beauty routine. number 3 in our top 5 best nail polish sets for salons, we have the OPI Nail Lacquer in the stunning OPI'm Dreaming Collection. What if you could enjoy chip-resistant, beautiful nails without worrying about constant touch-ups? With OPI's Buildable Sheer Pastel Shimmer formula, you get a flawless, glossy finish that lasts longer, even with daily wear. Whether you're treating yourself to a salon-worthy manicure or offering a professional touch at your salon, this set gives you the perfect mix of elegance and durability. The 4-piece mini pack features shades that work beautifully together or as standalone colors. These sheer pastels are perfect for creating a soft, dreamy look with just the right amount of shimmer to make your nails stand out without being too flashy. But here's the best part. This polish is chip resistant. We all know the frustration of nails looking perfect one moment and then chip the next. OPI's formula is designed to help your manicure hold up longer, keeping that freshly painted look intact for days. Not only does it deliver gorgeous results, but OPI is also vegan and free from animal-derived ingredients. So it's a great choice for anyone who's conscious about the products they use. And with its easy application and smooth finish, you don't have to be a pro to get salon-quality results. If you're ready to elevate your nail game, the OPI Nail Lacquer in the OPI'm Dreaming Collection is the perfect pick. Don't miss out on this essential addition to your nail polish collection. If you love this recommendation, be sure to subscribe to Beautyistic for more top picks and expert reviews that'll help you create the perfect beauty routine. Are you loving the countdown of the best top 5 best nail polish sets for salons? If you're feeling polished, go ahead and give that like button a tap, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a beautiful moment. Coming in at number 2 in our top 5 best nail polish sets for salons, we have the Dazzle Dry Mini Kit 4-step system. What if you could get salon-quality nails at home without the harsh chemicals in just 5 minutes? With Dazzle Dry, that's exactly what you can do. This award-winning system delivers flawless, chip-free manicures that last 7 days or more, and it dries completely in just 5 minutes. This kit includes everything you need for a perfect manicure: nail prep, base coat lacquer, top coat, and even a bonus Revive nail polish thinner to keep your products in top condition. It's simple and quick, no UV lamps required, and it's non-toxic, hypoallergenic, and free from harmful ingredients like formaldehyde, camphor, and parabens. Dazzle Dry's unique formula mimics the performance of gel polish without any of the damage to your natural nails, strengthening them over time. The pale Himalayan salt pink color, named Truth, is a semi-sheer cream that gives a sophisticated, subtle look perfect for any occasion. And the best part? It air dries in just 5 minutes, so you can go about your day without waiting around. This is a game changer for anyone looking to enjoy professional-grade nails without the fuss. If you're ready to upgrade your manicure routine, the Dazzle Dry Mini Kit is a must-have. And if you like what you've learned, be sure to subscribe to Beautyistic for more expert reviews and top picks. Taking the top spot in our top 5 best nail polish sets for salons is the Essie Gel Couture Longwear Nail Polish Kit. What if you could have the long-lasting, high-shine results of a gel manicure without the hassle of a UV lamp? This kit offers just that: gorgeous, chip-resistant color that lasts with the ease of traditional polish. Essie's Gel Couture formula delivers a salon-quality finish in 2 simple steps. First, apply 2 coats of the sheer nude pink shade Fairy Tailor for that perfect subtle look. Then, top it off with the Gel Couture top coat for an ultra-shiny, gel-like finish. No base coat needed, no UV light required. And the best part? It removes just like regular polish. No soaking, no scrubbing, no scraping. Simply use acetone or non-acetone remover, and you're done. Essie's patented swirl stem and curve-hugging brush ensures even, precise application every time, so you can achieve a flawless manicure in minutes, right at home. Essie has long been a trusted name in nail care, and with this Gel Couture kit, they've raised the bar even higher, offering a gel-like experience without the need for harsh chemicals or complicated removal. Plus, Essie's formula is vegan and cruelty-free, perfect for those who are mindful of their impact on the environment. If you're ready to transform your manicure routine with ease, this kit is a must-have. And if you want more expert reviews and top picks, be sure to subscribe to Beautyistic for more. We hope you loved the countdown of the top 5 best nail polish sets for salons. To keep up with all the latest bestsellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we talked about today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.